Now to fix it, the first step is to roll back graphics card driver. Go to start menu, make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager, expand display adapter. Over here you will see your AMD graphic card. This is just an example. I have NVIDIA, but you will see your AMD graphic card. Make a right click on your AMD graphic card, go to properties and then go to the driver tab. Now over here, if the rollback option is highlighted, click on rollback, and once the rollback is done, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. If that does not work, the next step is you can roll back to 26.6.1. For this you can go to AMD website. The link is provided in the video description. Select your graphic card from here. This is just an example. Make sure that you select your graphic card and then select your operating system, and then scroll down, click on previous versions. Click on select your, if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. You can install this 26.6.1, or maybe you can install the older one too, and you can download it, install it, restart your PC. Restart is a must. After the system restart you can check. If that does not work, use AMD Cleanup Utility tool to uninstall AMD graphic card driver. Now for this you can search for AMD Cleanup Utility and you can go to AMD website. Now once you go to AMD website, you can download this AMD Cleanup Utility for Windows, and then you can follow this instruction from here to uninstall your AMD graphic card driver. And then once you uninstall it, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart, again go to AMD website and then you can roll back to the previous version. So select your graphic card, your operating system, click on previous version and select your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and then you can install the older version, maybe 26.6.1 or maybe 26.5.2. Download it, install it, restart your PC, and then you can check. If that does not work, you can uninstall AMD graphic card driver. Make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter, select your AMD graphic card driver, make a right click, go to properties, go to drivers tab, and then click on uninstall device, and then put a check on the box which attempt to remove the driver for this device. Click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is complete, you have to restart your computer. Restart is a must, and after the system restart, it should actually install the default driver automatically once you restart your computer. And then you can stop the automatic update. You can type in Sysdm.cpl, and then click on OK, and then go to hardware tab, device installation settings, select no over here, and then click on save changes, and then you can check. And in future, whenever you want to install feature update, in future you can select yes. If that does not work, Windows 10 users, you can upgrade to Windows 11. So if you have Windows 10, you can actually install Windows 11. You can upgrade to Windows 11, and that should also help you to fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.